Hi, it's the FYI guy. Here today we're going to take a look at an 05 4Runner that has the maintenance light on it. As you can see, the MAINT, which stands for maintenance light, is on. The vehicle's running. You can see the keys on. I don't know if you can hear the engine or not, but it's running. Well, the RPMs are showing it's running. And with the maintenance light on, it indicates that it needs maintenance. It doesn't need a repair. It doesn't mean that your engine needs a repair. That's the check engine light. This is the maintenance light, meaning that you need your oil changed, oil filter, your air cleaner, you might need to lube the front end. The best thing to do is check your manual. Depending on your mileage, it'll indicate what maintenance items need to be addressed. So with that in mind, I do my own maintenance, and I'd like to turn this light off because I've already changed the oil and took a look at the other items that need to be attended to. So with that, let's get into getting this maintenance light off. First thing I need to do is turn the engine off. After turning the engine off, you need to put the key to the on position. Now you're not going to turn it on, engine on, not going to start it, but you're just going to put it to the on position. From there, you need to indicate where your odometer trip meter is. Okay, there's three positions. There's trip A, trip B, and odometer. In order for you to reset it, the odometer has to be on ODO, odometer, okay, which it is now. So with an on odometer, now I'm going to turn the key back off, and this will start the reset process. I'm going to go ahead and hold the reset button in, and then turn the key to on. Do not start it, just turn it to on. Okay, the vehicle is on. I'm holding see it flashing, then it's going to go out. Okay, that means that it's been reset. So now I can release the button and turn the key back off. Okay, now when I restart the key, the maintenance light will disappear after startup. There you go. Maintenance light's off, and the situation's been taken care of. Thanks for watching. This is the FYI guy.